Well, here we are at Sao Rafael beach, just round from Arifes beach. Again, another beautiful beach. Lovely sand, lovely soft sand. One rock in the middle there, a few rocks around it. Little sun trap. Waves are a little bit higher here than what they were around at Arifes beach, but still nice. I'll put the drone up in a minute, you can see it from the air. And another restaurant on the beach, beautiful restaurant, another fish restaurant. Closed at the moment, time of year, 22nd of December. Beautiful. Boat going along there. Probably on its way to the caves, I imagine. Bendigo Caves, which are further up. Again, a lovely cafe, restaurant, bar, whatever you like to call it, right on the beach again. Every beach you come to, or nearly every beach you come to in Portugal, in the Algarve especially, have got a restaurant or cafe or bar or all three on the beach, right on the beach. Can't be better than that. Here we are at the top of Praia De Sao Rafael, which is just there, which is just to the left of Arifes, which we did earlier. Another beautiful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell, and you'll catch all our other videos as and when they come up. See you later.